In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not working, ensuring you can easily browse and shop once more. Sometimes the Marketplace feature can be elusive, but don't worry, we'll walk through a straightforward process to troubleshoot and resolve any issues. So, grab your device and let's get started. First things first, we need to open Facebook. Whether you're on your mobile device or desktop, log into your account as usual. This is the essential step because we'll be navigating through some settings that are only accessible from within your profile. Feeling all logged in? Great. Now that you're on Facebook, let's move to the next step. Once you're on the platform, look towards your profile area, usually found at the top on a desktop or within the menu on a mobile device. Click on your profile and you'll find yourself on your personal page. From here, we want to shift over to the settings. It's like where all the behind the scenes magic happens. You'll typically see a settings icon which might look like a gear or 3 horizontal lines depending on your device. Give that a click. Now that you're in the settings panel, scroll through until you see an option that mentions a tab bar. It's often here where Facebook lets you manage various shortcuts and app features. Go ahead and click on this tab bar. You're doing great so far. Just a few more tweaks to go. With the tab bar open, focus on customizing it. Customization allows you to tailor the Facebook interface to suit your preferences and make frequently used features more accessible. Now, let's find the Customize the Bar button and click it. This brings up a list of all the sections you can adjust for easy access, including the Marketplace. As you scroll through this list, keep an eye out for the Marketplace option. Once you see it, click on the Marketplace. This is where we'll make the necessary changes to fix its accessibility. Finally, after selecting the Marketplace, you'll see options to either pin it for easier access or set it to automatic. Pinning Marketplace is like bookmarking a web page. It makes sure that it remains readily accessible whenever you navigate through your Facebook account. Go ahead and click either pin or auto, whichever works best for your browsing style. And there you have it. Your Facebook Marketplace should now be functioning just as it should, with easy access from your shortcut bar. Troubleshooting tech issues can be daunting, but with these detailed steps, navigating the ins and outs of Facebook becomes a breeze. If this resolved your issue, give yourself a pat on the back and remember you've got all the tools at your fingertips for a smoother online experience. Thanks for following along and happy browsing.